Hey guys, welcome back. Video number 4. Last video we got a lot of things done, but we didn't have enough time to finish it up. If you guys haven't seen the first 3 videos, go back and watch them in order. This is going to be the last one for the repair of the truck. Today I'm going to go through and install a couple more parts. We're going to pull back the radiator support back out here, take the rest of the parts off there, put them back on the truck, and then hopefully we'll get it fired up. Got the radiator going, the airbox, the headlights, wiring needs to be done. So once that's all complete, we're gonna wrap it up, fire it up. We do have more videos coming up. The next videos won't be more of a repair, it's gonna be more modifications on this truck. And if you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments below, and stay tuned till the end of the video to see what I have coming up in mind next on this truck, and hopefully we'll get it all finished up. Let's get to it. Alright, so this might look very close to what we started with, but there's a couple of changes that we've done, and they're all minor, so it's kind of hard to see it, but here we go. I did put a fan on there, I put the transmission coolant, radiator, mount that up. That's not wired yet, so I'm going to do that later. Right now I'm going to need to put the base plate in there, throw the battery inside. The radiator's all hooked up, we just have to pour the coolant inside. The airbox is installed, the cruise control module, the windshield wiper thingy-majigger, not sure what that is. I do have a bunch of stuff hanging out over here for the air compressor, which I'm gonna leave for now. I did relocate the horn from this location to this side. Everything clears. I did take off my HID light wiring harness for now because we'll take care of that later. That's all over here. Battery, coolant, fire it up. Let's do it. All right, I gotta grab this thing. All right. Let's grab the keys, otherwise the alarm's gonna go off once I hook that up. Unless the battery's dead. Nope, it's alive. Let's start mixing the distilled water with the long life Toyota coolant. Remember guys, you do have to do 50-50 mix on here. If I can remember where exactly that was right there, recommended 50-50. If you guys can read all that, that's good. If not, then Google it and you'll find out more. Toyota spec right there, and get everything mounted up and we're ready to go. Let's put that coolant in and go from there. All right, so I filled it up, it's ready, topped it off. Now I'm gonna go start the truck, heat it up. I'm gonna turn on the heater, and we're gonna keep adding more as the air comes out from the engine block. We're just gonna keep more, adding more coolant in here. So let's get this thing fired up. Awesome. What do you guys think? So just to wrap it up, today we did a tremendous amount of progress. This is the truck which is 99% repaired. We have a lot of things that came together and are finally coming along. So truck got fired up, started, ran, looks good, the heat went up good, got the coolant in there, everything checks out, everything was good. Later I'm gonna cool it off, do the same process again just to make sure that everything is at 100%. I would take it for a test drive, but I can't, unfortunately, this time. My driver's side headlight is out, and I don't have turn signals at the moment. My lights are missing, or the bulbs. We got at this point, it's running, it's driving, everything's looking good, and I'm pretty happy with all the results. I do have to do some minor adjustments, but that's later. More videos coming up here in the mods. So what do you guys want to see? The grill first, the headlights. I love the color match grill on these Tacomas. I'm not a big fan of the chrome, so I got to get rid of all the chrome. We're going to be painting this or doing the retrofit on the headlights. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys want to see a time lapse of the headlights, or do you guys want to see a more DIY, closer detail how it's actually done? It's going to be the same for the first gen Tacomas as the third gen 4Runners. It's practically the same for all the cars. You just basically heat it up, take it apart, put the bulbs, the ballast, you know, line everything up. There's a harness. I took the harness out of this thing for now, but that's because I put the stock lights on there. I'll be taking them off, peeling them apart, shoving all those new parts in there, putting some ballast, projectors, painting, the internals, whatever. And you put it back on your truck, align the little levels, and call it a day. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys hit the notification button. As soon as my video is uploaded, you'll be the first ones to see it. And if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. Righty then. Let's wrap it up, clean this place up, and get out of here.